Welcome to the Hyatt Grand Manchester Grand Hyatt. So they're staying here for like our free nights, like annual free nights, and especially for like coronavirus situation and stuff, everything like that. So we got this upgraded room for the bay view, but let's start from the beginning. So classic entry, they do offer some water here. It's called Aquafina. Wow, cool. It's water in a can, so look great. So this is a bathroom. I mean, it's a cool, cozy, small bathroom. Look at this. They have Balmain accessories for like everything. Wow, it's crazy. Balmain Paris shampoo, Balmain Paris conditioner, and body wash, and lotion. Can you believe this? This is Balmain. It's like crazy expensive brand and stuff, so I do really like how they do here in this Manchester Grand Hyatt. So this is our first stay here. I mean, I forgot to mention the most important part. This is San Diego. So this is hair dryer, all these towels and stuff. So like pretty cozy and super simple bathtub. I mean, good quality bathtub. I mean, very clean and all looks very nice here. So this is bathroom. Let's go to explore the rest of the room. So classic closet with all these essentials and like regular stuff here. Nothing super special. So, and this is the room. Look at this. Tables. This is king size bed. Really good king size bed actually. And it seems very clean here. I mean, probably housekeeping working good. And so the most important part for the morning of every person like me is coffee, and this is current coffee machine with all these essentials. They do even have Teza breakfast tea and green tea. Wow. And all this like decaf and all this kind of coffees here. So of course they have TV usually. Always. I mean, so this is all these doors. Oh yes, they have refrigerator in the room. I'm not sure if it's, yeah, it's pretty neat and working, which is good. Okay, so this is the rest of the room. Some seat place here. Look at this artwork. It looks so cute. It looks like it's ironish. Yeah, like it's so cool. Look at this. This is amazing. I so much like this. Can you imagine just sitting here and drinking or do something? I mean, drinking coffee in the morning and stuff, you know. So, and look at this. This is the view. It's fantastic. It's literally fantastic. So look at this, how it looks so cool when you're just sitting on these chairs, drinking your coffee in the morning and just enjoying this view. So this is a bay, San Diego Bay, and so this is it. So how this room looks is just so amazing. I so much like it. We stayed in so many places throughout all the US, and we already changed about like 2 or 3 hotels, and we're gonna stay in more hotels tomorrow. We're staying in San Diego for 2 nights, and here in this place we stayed for 1 night. So I'm a platinum member of Hyatt families and platinum elite member for IAG hotels. And tomorrow we're gonna move. So this is like a bay part of San Diego where we're staying for today. and tomorrow we are going to move there. Like that side is downtown San Diego, and we're gonna stay in downtown San Diego to see how it is up there. So today we're gonna explore like Bayside and Bayview and everything what San Diego has to offer, and tomorrow we'll see downtown parts and see how it works before we go and move forward to another destination and another state.